This looks like a cool little spot. You see how the water flow is different when the rain is hitting it? So over here on this side, you can sort of see there's stagnant water, not really moving, and the rain droplets are nice and soft. But in here where the water is running, it's roughed up. Can't really distinctly see the rain droplets. It's a great spot to drift your flies. So I'm gonna at least try that. I have this whole area to drift it. I'm not necessarily going to drift over into the softer area, maybe right on the seam, but this is allowing me to really see where the seam is. Get my flies out. So I'm drifting straight down the middle. For starters. And then I'll kind of move my way over to me a little bit and fish this seam closer to me. And then I'll fish the far seam. Allow this to kind of swing on through, keeping my rod tip still, and just swinging my flies through as my fly comes parallel with my fly line. I'm just moving further up into this seam. They might be closer to where these rocks are that's causing some disturbance into the water flow. I might be hiding right behind it. Whoops, hit some embankment and grabbed myself a little bit of a leaf. All right. That was just a little bit of patience. Put this up on the bank there. How many times are you so close to getting it to the net and they take off? That is just what fishing is all about. It's like, and then they take another run for it. They're not ready. But usually when that happens, the second time around is when you can kind of bring them in. Got some spunk. All right. Should be able to get him this time. There we go. Took the egg. Gorgeous trout. Eggs are very important this time of year. It is sucker spawn season. It is chub season. So they are really eating eggs. Gorgeous fish.